gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
So here's the big question. What do brands actually give up to create an ultra-thin Airphone? Remember the iPhone Air from years ago? It disappeared pretty quickly because sales were terrible. Apple had to make some serious compromises back then. A single camera, no physical SIM slot, and just one speaker, all in the name of keeping it slim and lightweight. But what if an Airphone didn't have to sacrifice flagship features? What if you could get pro-level performance and cameras in the same thin, light body? That's exactly what the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is aiming to deliver. And honestly, just looking at it might bring back your excitement for Airphones. If I had to describe this device in 5 words, it would be unbelievably thin, light, and uncompromising. By the way, I've also uploaded a full comparison of all 6 Air smartphones worldwide. If you haven't seen that yet, the link is in the description. Definitely check it out. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Now, back to the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air. This phone weighs just 155 grams and measures only 6.1 millimeters thick, making it about 10 grams lighter than the iPhone Air. It uses an ultra-strong aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame, along with a super-thin 0.4 millimeter glass back, so it still feels premium while staying durable. The body is visually balanced in the center, which makes it really comfortable to hold. The battery cover has a glossy, layered finish that reflects light like metal, giving it a refined look and feel. The display is protected by SGS 5-star drop-resistant polytin glass. You're getting a 6.3-inch LTPO screen with a 2640 by 1216 resolution and a dynamic refresh rate that adjusts from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. For eye comfort, it supports up to 320 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming along with hardware-level low blue light. The bezels are incredibly slim too, just 1.08 millimeters on all 4 sides. In real-world testing, manual maximum brightness reached around 800 nits, and you can see how each APL window performs in the images. At a 10% window size, peak brightness hit roughly 5,400 nits. Honor was also one of the first domestic brands to adopt CIE, and back in 2015, they were among the manufacturers doing 10-degree CMF color calibration on their screens. The system settings give you tons of display customization options as well. Honor has always pushed hard in eye protection tech, and the Magic 8 Pro Air comes packed with 10 advanced eye care features. For example, the AI liver-friendly function tracks your blinking and gently reminds you to blink when needed, helping keep your eyes moist and reduce fatigue. There's also AI defocus eye protection, which uses different color information to adjust your eye's focal distance. Simply put, Honor didn't cut corners on either display quality or eye comfort. Even with such a slim body, this is still a true flagship camera phone, complete with a main camera, telephoto lens, and ultra-wide sensor. The Magic 8 Pro Air really shows what's possible when it comes to space compression inside a compact design. The standout feature here is the same massive 1.1-inch main sensor found on the Magic 8 Pro. As a slim imaging flagship, it also introduces Android's first array-style zoom flash. The 5-light X-array structure covers portrait focal lengths from 23 millimeters all the way to 148 millimeters, and you can see how that translates in the sample photos. Performance-wise, the Magic 8 Pro Air runs on the Dimensity 9500 flagship processor. We tested it using 30 everyday apps, and everything launched quickly thanks to responsive turbo boost, fully tapping into the SoC's power. For light gaming, playing Honor of Kings at HD 120p resulted in an average power draw of just 3.07 watts, while maintaining smooth, stable frame rates. After a heavy day of use, temperatures stayed lower than the iPhone Air, showing better overall heat management. And honestly, that level of cooling is seriously impressive for an ultra-thin 6.1mm camera flagship. Now let's talk about battery life, because this is where things get really interesting. The Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is powered by a silicon carbon anode battery with an impressive energy density of 917 Wh/kWh, which is currently among the highest in the industry. The typical capacity comes in at 5,500 milliamp hours. To put that into perspective, most phones around the 160 gram weight range usually offer anywhere between 349 milliamp hours and 4,800 milliamp hours. So fitting a 5,500 milliamp hour battery into such a slim and lightweight is seriously impressive. Honor didn't stop there. They've also included the industry's thinnest 0.15 millimeter wireless charging coil, allowing this phone to support 50-watt wireless fast charging. In real-world testing, the 80-watt wired charging took about 1 hour to reach a full charge, plus an additional 10 minutes of trickle charging, bringing the total to roughly 22.46 hours. In just 15 minutes, it was already up to 21%. After 5 hours of moderate daily use and 1 full hour of playing Honor of Kings, there was still 40.2% battery remaining. Looking deeper into the numbers, you can see that power efficiency has been carefully optimized across every usage scenario. Even compared to Honor's own Wing series, which is known for prioritizing battery life, the Magic 8 Pro Air doesn't cut corners on either endurance or charging speed. On the outside, you also get ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, which makes unlocking the 6.3-inch display quicker and more convenient. This Air model comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance ratings as well. It features stereo dual speakers, and as you'd expect, the audio experience is noticeably better than phones with just a single speaker. For connectivity, it supports both Nano SIM and eSIM dual standby. That means you don't have to visit a physical store to activate an eSIM, making the setup process much more convenient and flexible. Of course, a pro-level phone also needs a pro-level software experience. The system includes a high-quality frosted glass visual effect and complete interrupt animations as part of the standard interface. Honor's AnyDoor feature helps break down barriers between apps, making everyday operations smoother and more intuitive. Just like the hardware, the Magic 8 Pro Air doesn't compromise when it comes to system experience or external features. So to wrap it all up, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air really lives up to the idea of packing pro into Air. It matches the extreme thin and light design philosophy of the iPhone Air while still delivering a fully loaded pro-level configuration powered by the Dimensity 9500. With a triple camera system that includes a large 1.3-inch main sensor and a 5,500 milliamp hour battery, this could very well represent the ultimate evolution of the Air phone. Now, the big question is, where does the Air phone category go from here? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and join our tech community for more awesome tech videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.